Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, this is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, subject teacher of English OPE, class 5. I hope all of you are fine by the blessings of Almighty Allah and by the prayers of your elders and parents. Dear students, without making any wastage of time, we are going through in our lecture number 1, unit 2, lesson number 4. As you are watching on your screen, it is book page number 12, unit 2 and lesson number 4, sentences. First of all, I read the heading of the lesson, sentences. Okay, so kindly notice the word sentence. And the activity, first of all, I would like to tell you that all of our lecture is of today is depended upon solving the activities of book page number 12. Okay, all our lecture depends on solving the activities today. So first of all, we have to read heading number 1, then try to solve it. So activity number 1, what does it say? That listen to the dialogues and number the subjects 1 to 6. These are 6 subjects given to us, and we are told that listen to the dialogues and number the subjects. We are also given subjects, but we are not given dialogues. So where are the dialogues? Can you see on this book page number? This is activity number 2, this is activity number 3 and 4. Can you see the sentences on book page number 12? So how can we solve it? Can we solve it or not? So don't feel panic. The sentences of activity number 1 are written on book page number 110 here, and I am pointing out, as you can see it, unit 2 lesson 4, exercise 2 and 1. So first of all, we have to read all these sentences, then we have to complete it by giving them number to the sentences. So first of all, it is, what are you going to have for lunch, Ima? What does it say? What are you going to have for lunch, Ima? So lunch relates to the food. As you are watching on your screen, I am pointing out here. So number 1 is given to us as an example. Okay, now it is time for us to read sentence number 2. So sentence number 2 is, are you going to play in the match tomorrow, Irfan? Play in the match. So play in the match relates to cinema, holiday, telephoning, shopping or sports. Okay, it relates to sports. So number 1 food, number 2 sports. Okay, number 3, what are you going for the summer, Max? It means a friend is asking to his friend that where would he go on holiday. So the summer trip relates to cinema, holiday, telephoning or shopping. Generally holiday. Okay, summer vacations or events or trips relates to holiday. Okay, number 4 sentence is answer phone message. As it is answer phone message, here is a message for Mariam. So phone message relates to telephoning. Okay, number 5, it is, friend, what are you looking for? I am going to buy a CD with my birthday money. So buy a CD relates with cinema or shopping. Buy a CD from market, it relates to the shopping. And I am going to read the final sentence for you, that what DVD have you got there, Alice? It is the Sunken City. I am going to watch it this evening. So generally the word that is remaining in the last to us is cinema. Okay, in cinema we can watch movie. So we have solved our activity number 1 by the help of book page number 110. Now listen again. Complete these sentences with verbs from the dialogue. The verbs that were used on book page number 10, sentences. Now we have to take some help from the sentences and complete these sentences by filling the blanks. So number 1 is giving to us, this activity is consisted on going to versus will. Okay, both these activities are depended or considered as going to versus will activity. So it is for us, it is given to an example to us. Ima says she will have a slice of pizza. She will. So it is given to us. Now we have to read sentence number 2 and try to fill it with correct word. Either it can be will or either it can be going to. So read. Tahir says he dash ask Kamal if he is here. Tahir says he. So here the sentence will be filled with will. Tahir says he will ask Kamal if he is free. Sentence number 3. Max dash learns to ride a horse. Max is going to. As if you want to take up a look in your sentences, you can see all the sentences on book page number 110. Okay, I have read it earlier, that's why I am filling it very confidentially. Okay, so it will be filled with Max is going to, not will. Max is going to learn to ride. Number 4, Parveen says she dash try to phone Mariam later in the evening. She will try. She is going to try to phone, not she will try to phone. Number 5, Syra says she dash buy a CD with her birthday money. So it will be Syra is going to buy. Okay, so it is Syra is going to buy. Number 6, Alice dash watch the sunken city. So it will be Alice is going to. For your easiness, may I write all the sentences in your book? Okay, so I am writing all the sentences. I am filling the blanks with correct words. So number 1, will is given to us. Now it is for us to fill number 2. Tahir says he will. Tahir will. Max is going to. Number 4, Parveen says she will try to phone Mariam. And number 5, Syra says she is going to. Number 6, Alice dash watch is going to. Okay, this is activity number 2 that has been completed here. Now we have to read the heading of activity number 3. Read the dialogues and correct one mistake in each of them. Okay, here we have been given a mistake in each sentence. We have to read it out and try to pick out the mistake and pick in the correct word. So, why have you bought that book and DVD? B. I will learn Italian next term or am going to. What will be used? I will learn or I am going to. So it is I will. I will learn Italian next term, am going to. So it will be filled up with I am going to learn Italian. Number 2, there are no more eggs in the house. B. Oh, in that case, I am going to get some tomorrow. So it will be I am going, not I will go. Okay, it will be I am going to get some tomorrow, not I will. Okay, so number 3, have you got a video to watch this evening? Answer, yes mom, we will watch the sunken city. So the sentence will be like, yes mom, we will watch, not yes mom, we are going to. Okay, number 4, I can't close this window, grandpa. Don't worry, I am going to do it for you. So the correct sentence will be I will do it for you. Okay, what it would be? I will, not going to. Number 5, what are you planning to do on Saturday? On Saturday morning, I will do some shopping. On Saturday, I am going to. I am going to, not will. Okay. Number 6 and last, somebody is knocking at the door. Oh, I am going to go and open it. So it will be I will go and open it. These are the activities that I have filled here for your easiness. Okay, so I hope all of you can see all the sentences very clearly. Dear students, now it is time for us to give you some homework and finish up our today's lecture. So dear student, for you the homework is read book page number 10 and solve exercise 5. You have to solve this exercise 5. What you have to do, underline the different verbs in the story that show how people spoke, e.g. asked. Asked is also a verb. Okay, so you have to read the complete passage on book page number 10 and try to find more verbs from the story. Dear students, now it is time for us to wind up our today's lecture. We will meet inshallah in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.